Welcome back to the SolidWorks video tutorial. Today you're going to make your first part. To do that, we'll go ahead and open up a new part. Click New and look at you have the template screen. I've already created several templates, but now I'm going to teach you how to make your own. Select Part and hit OK. Go ahead and save this. Let's save this as a part template .prt. And we're going to call this TX metric. There we go. The original part that you just opened up, it is in an inch/pound/second or English system. Go ahead to Tools, go down to Options. As you're in Options, click Document Properties, go to Units right here, and you'll see that this template is in inch/pound/seconds, the fundamental forces of a measurement system. Now what we want is a meter/kilogram/second unit system. Go ahead, click that, and hit OK. Now this metric part template can be used if you want to create metric parts. We're primarily going to be working with English units, so you won't have to use it much. Now, let's go ahead and open up a new part. To create this part, you're going to be working from a drawing. We'll learn how to create drawings later, but for right now, we're just going to be looking at this one. For this bulkhead, part of Assembly A, you can see the different views of the model and look at the dimensions we need to create. Go ahead and open up that part drawing so you can work from it on your end. First, I'm going to go to the Sketch tab here and select Circle. I'm going to be working from the top plane. Draw the circle, and then use our handy Smart Dimension tool to give it the proper dimension, which in this case is 3.75 inches. There we go. Now, I want to add a couple more things to this. We have 3 holes there. One of them is in the very center of the circle. That is 0.3 inches in diameter. Now there's another holes, 2 more holes in a direct line from that center. If you'll look very carefully, you will see if you drag your circle pointer around, a dashed line appears to show you that you are directly horizontal on the same line as that original circle. If you go up here vertically, another one pops up. This is an important reference tool that can be very handy when it comes to drawing new sketches. Let's go ahead and put our circle and another one over here. I'm going to dimension these. Now they're all 0.3 in diameter. Now to place them, looking at the drawing, we see they should be 1 inch apart. 1 inch. There it is. And 1 inch. There we go. Now if you look at the circles, they are blue. They are blue because they are not fully constrained. If you see the green square here on this circle, it shows that this circle is coincident or stuck to the center origin plane. Bring up the model tree, the origin is right there. These other 2 circles, they are not fully constrained. So if I click it and drag it around, it can move somewhere. See, it's moving on this circle. It doesn't have a specific place. To keep it from moving anywhere, I'm going to go ahead and select the center of these 2 circles, and I'll throw that one in too. And if you look over here, there are several relations or constraints. One of them is horizontal. I'm going to click that, and now all 3 of them are lined up on the same line. They have turned from blue to black, meaning they cannot move at all. This is just an introduction to constraints. I'm going to go and click here to exit the sketch, and we are going to save this as bulkhead.